Mark Eiglarsh, former prosecutor, criminal defense attorney. The jury just about to get the case right this moment. I'm hearing this closing argument by the defense, and I'm thinking, what? I've never heard something so bizarre. Oh, yeah, if I told you that she shot JFK, you'd convict her of that. There's nothing I can do. How about call witnesses? This guy called 0 witnesses for the defense.
Jane, I disagree with you. I'm going to defend him. I'm not going to defend his choice to wear an olive shirt in front of the jury. I don't get that. That to me is bizarre. But to take on the elephant in the room, that everybody cannot stand her actions, that what she did was reprehensible. He used the example of, you got to not hate her. You got to focus on the facts. I get that. I've had clients that people just don't like. However, his argument is, maybe that baby is still around. Maybe she really did give the child over to a San Antonio couple.
I got to ask Mark. Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
Mark, let me ask you this. Mark is a fine attorney, and this is why I want to ask him this.
You.
Mark,
Yes.
have you ever, though, tried a case, defended a client, and not called any witnesses, not even a character witness, not even somebody to come forward and say that she was a good high school student?
No. I'm glad you brought that up. That was the other point that I disagree with now you and Jane on. I have won too many cases in the past as a prosecutor when the defense takes on the burden of proof when they don't have to. It is more effective if the prosecution does not have the evidence beyond a reasonable doubt, as the defense is hoping.
But that confession,
we don't have to prove anything.
Let me say this. Not only is he saying basically, oh, you'd convict her of anything, even shooting John F. Kennedy, but he's admitting, she's charged with kidnapping, custodial interference, and attempted custodial interference. This attorney of hers is admitting, he's spending a lot of time admitting her guilt, and I believe that we have a soundbite. He's admitting her guilt on the custodial interference charge. Let's listen to that right now. Then we're going to get Mike Brooks in on this debate. Listen to this.
She's authorized me, as her lawyer, to stand here and tell you she was wrong. She committed a crime. I'm her lawyer. I'm standing here in closing argument, with her permission, telling you she committed a crime. She made mistakes.
Mike Brooks, he wants the jury to convict her of the lesser charge of the lower penalty charge of custodial interference and let her off the hook on kidnapping.
Yeah, she and Tammy Smith, her friend who wanted a baby at all costs, who was convicted. Is she going to get that? Yeah, absolutely. But, have they proven beyond a reasonable doubt that she did kidnap the baby? Well, I think everyone thinks she did. I think she did. And even if she got found, kidnapping the baby, she's not on trial here for murdering the baby. Did she want to keep that baby away from Logan McCrary, the biological father? Absolutely. In fact, she basically told McCrary twice that he would never see little baby Gabriel again. Look, Jane, I hold out hope that this precious little boy is alive somewhere. But I tell you, at this point, I really don't know.